Unleashing the power of coordination. Combine clauses like a pro. Hello, language explorers. Welcome back to our series on adjective and adverb clauses. Today we're focusing on a topic that will supercharge your English writing and speaking. We're diving into the exciting world of coordination within sentences, specifically, how to combine clauses through coordination. Ready? Let's go! In the context of grammar, coordination refers to the process of linking two or more clauses of equal rank or importance in a sentence. This is done using coordinating conjunctions. You've likely heard of them before: and, but, or, so, for, yet, and, nor. These are your tools for joining together ideas in a balanced way. An important thing to remember: each clause within a coordinated sentence could stand alone as a complete sentence. This is because both, or all, of the clauses are equally important to the overall meaning. Let's take a look at some examples. I love to read books, and I enjoy writing. Here we've used and to join two related thoughts together. She wanted to go to the concert, but she didn't have enough money. In this sentence, we've used but to join two contrasting ideas. Remember, each clause on its own is a complete idea. I love to read books, and I enjoy writing could both stand alone as sentences, as could she wanted to go to the concert, and she didn't have enough money. But by using coordinating conjunctions, we've linked them together in a way that adds depth and complexity to our communication. In coordinating sentences, it's important to know where to place your punctuation. Usually, if the clauses are short and closely related, you don't need to use a comma. For example, I run and I swim. However, when the clauses are longer, or when you want to emphasize the separation of ideas, you use a comma before the coordinating conjunction, like so. I love to read books about history, and I also enjoy writing about my own experiences. And there you have it, the power of coordination. With coordinating conjunctions and the correct punctuation, you can create rich and detailed sentences that effectively communicate your ideas. We hope you found this video helpful. Remember, the key to mastering coordination is practice. So, don't hesitate to use this in your daily conversations or written communications. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and stay curious. Until next time, happy learning!